how you can connect your LG AC with mobile without remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, you need a smartphone that has a built-in IR blaster. Not all phones have this feature, so make sure yours does. Now, open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for a Universal AC Remote app or LG AC Remote. There are many free apps available, so just pick one with good reviews. Once you install the app, open it and select AC or air conditioner as the device type. Then choose LG from the brand list. After that, the app will show you a remote control interface. Test the basic functions like power on, temperature up, or fan speed. If the AC doesn't respond, don't worry. Most apps let you try different remote versions. Keep switching between different remote configurations inside the app until you find the one that works with your LG AC. So once you find the right match, you'll be able to control your AC completely from your phone. And remember, this method requires a phone with a built-in IR blaster. If your phone doesn't have one, you'll need an external IR blaster accessory. And that's it. That's how you can connect your LG AC with mobile without remote.